Hello friends, in this video we're gonna show you what to do if you have your brake warning light on in the dash, okay? First thing you wanna check under the car, make sure you don't have any leaking fluids, you know, like when you press the brake pedal and you wanna maybe kind of pump your brake pedal some 3, 4, 5 times, then get out of your car and look underneath, make sure there is not like fluids leaking from the car, okay? Now, second of all, you want to check your brake fluid reservoir. We're going to use this car for example. So, in this car, this is a 1990 Jeep Wrangler. This is like an old school style, right? But the brake fluid reservoir is this one right here. So, I'm going to go ahead, open it, okay? You open your brake fluid, you check it, you know, you see that this side is a little bit low. This side is got a little bit more, so I don't know, something is going on. So what you want to do, fill it up, you know, fill your brake fluid reservoir all the way to the top. So you already know that there is no dripping from the car. You already filled your brake fluid reservoir. Now, what you want to check is the brakes itself, all right? So you got to take the wheels off. Come here. So I have all the wheels off this car, and as you can see in this, if you can see from this side, you can see the brake pad is a little bit low on this side, but it's not enough to bring your warning brake light on. So check the other side, you know, same thing. Now in the rear of this car, it's got drum brakes. All right, so you gotta take the drum brakes out and come over here real quick. See, this is what it looks. You know, there is still brake shoe left, and you know, it looks like it's a little bit dusty, but it's dry. You know, so this is normal. So when we pull the other drum brake over here, you can see the difference. See? So in this case, you got a leaking brake cylinder in the rear right wheel, okay? You can see how this is all wet. So this is causing the brake system to detect a difference in pressure, in fluid pressure between the rear wheels and the front wheels. So that's what bringing the brake light on, okay? All right, friends, so as you can see, this is a process of elimination, right? You go eliminating step by step. If you don't see anything obvious, like in this case, it could be something hidden inside the drum brakes. All right, friends, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel and see you next time, all right?